Good evening. In breaking news today, the succession of the Roman Emperor Trajan has been resolved. Our news crew captures the unveiling of Hadrian's statue in celebration of his promotion to emperor.
Salvete, ego Sam Publius Aelius Hadrianus. Idos Augusti anno quinto ante CX vicum Romanus Imperator Traianus praesid Syriae misit litteras adoptionis confirmans. Ute demonstratum est historiae ex Augusti non avella villa evoductante diem constituerunt solemnem epularum et cognoscetis quod etiae uniuntis above. 3 dies post nuntium accepi, qui fuit mortuus, et Traiani imperatoris acci militum declaravit.
Imperator Hadrian. Our technical people are going to dub you using the English language. Is that okay? We use American English, the language of the new empire.
Quod barbara lingua latina Britannici civili hominum magis, quam perge Roma loquitur linguis omnibus locuturam.
Imperator Hadrian, is it true that the empire is breaking up? Are the enemies of Rome exploiting the tempting coincidence of an imperial military setback and an imperial death? Your own Historia Augusta sums up the situation as follows. The nations that Trajan had conquered began to revolt. The Moors were also on the attack, and the Sarmatians were waging war. The Britons were running out of Roman control, Egypt was hard-pressed by riots. And finally Libya and Palestine were showing the spirit of rebellion.
I have issued orders to immediately abandon Trajan's 3 new provinces: Armenia, Mesopotamia, and Assyria, and to regroup permanently behind Rome's traditional border, the Euphrates.
Although you have not made any formal announcements, could one conclude that Rome's policy has changed?
My long-term strategy is to reject military expansion of any kind. In the future, negotiation will replace ultimatum. Trajan's eastern adventure was the last straw. My predecessor demonstrated that it is possible to temporarily project military power beyond the empire's frontiers. However, it is difficult to preserve territorial gains.
It is reported that you are considering allowing the Jews to rebuild their temple.
The Jews were very upset when Trajan conquered Babylon. Jewish revolts occurred throughout the empire. In order to bring peace to the empire, I withdrew from Parthia and considered rebuilding the Jewish temple. However, the Samaritans sent a delegation which managed to dissuade me. They pointed out that the temple had always been a focal point for nationalism and rebellion.
We hope you enjoyed our video. Watch out for more releases. Check out our commentary on the Apocalypse and Daniel. They can be found at www.biblaridion.info.